Hello friends, today we're diving into one of the coolest experiments in modern botany. Why do some plants grow faster under red light? Buckle up your brain seatbelts. We're about to zoom into the world of photosynthesis, quantum biology, and even a sneak peek at farming on Mars. Let's go! The mystery of red light, not just a disco vibe. Let's start with a simple question. What exactly is light? Light, my friend, isn't just what helps you doom scroll Instagram at 2 a.m. It's actually a spectrum of electromagnetic radiation. And guess what? Plants are pretty choosy about which parts of that spectrum they like. They're especially into red and blue light. But between the two, red light hides a superpower. It's like a cheat code in your favorite video game, and plants have figured it out. Photosynthesis, nature's original solar panel. At the heart of this leafy love for red light is photosynthesis. That's the magical process where plants convert light energy into chemical energy. The green pigment chlorophyll absorbs light, mostly blue and red wavelengths. But here's where it gets interesting. Red light, around 660 nanometers, turns out to be the most efficient for powering photosynthesis. Why? Because it hits the sweet spot. Blue and UV light are too energetic. They can actually damage plant cells. Green light, most of it just bounces off. But red light? It's the Goldilocks of wavelengths. Not too strong, not too weak, just right. Let's take this to the lab. We set up 3 groups of basil plants. One under white light, one under blue light, and one under pure red LED grow lights. All the plants look happy, but the red light plant, it's vibing like it's at a private rave. Day 10, boom. The red light plant shoots up, bigger leaves, thicker roots, it's clearly in beast mode. Day 15, no contest. The red light plant is thriving, faster growth, more chlorophyll, supercharged photosynthesis. But wait, is more always better? Here's the plot twist. If you give a plant only red light for too long, it goes into overdrive, stretching out too tall, too fast. This is called etiolation, and it's the plant's way of saying, "Where's the rest of the sun, bro?" Think of red light like coffee. A little gets you moving. Too much, and you're jittering in the corner talking to your cactus. That's why serious grow light setups use a full mix, red, blue, far red, and white, to mimic natural sunlight. Super science mode, what's really going on? Now we go beyond the textbooks. Red light is absorbed by photosystem II in the plant's chloroplasts. That sets off a chain reaction, electrons moving, energy getting stored, sugars being made. But here's the wild part. A 2024 study from the University of Tokyo suggests that red photons might actually be interacting with quantum fields inside the plant. Yup. They found signs of coherence zones, microscopic areas where energy transfer is nearly lossless. It's like quantum photosynthesis. The plant is basically running on Tesla-grade efficiency, right inside its leaves. Future farming. Mars greenhouses. NASA isn't just watching from the sidelines. They're planning to use red LED panels to grow food on Mars. Why? Red LEDs are super energy efficient. Plants respond well to red light in low-pressure environments. Red light reduces water loss, and they can run off Mars solar panels. In simulated Martian greenhouses, lettuce grew 35% faster under red-dominant LEDs. Water use dropped by 22%. That's not science fiction, that's terraforming in action. Closer to home, the Indian farming revolution. Let's bring it back to Earth, specifically Maharashtra, India. Progressive farmers there are already using red-blue LED polyhouse systems, especially in winter when sunlight is scarce. And the results? Crop cycles cut down by 20%, tomato yields up by 40%, electricity costs down. Even strawberries, once tricky to grow in some regions, are now thriving under red-dominant lighting. This isn't just high-tech farming, it's a quiet revolution. So why do some plants grow faster under red light? Because it's the perfect balance, gentle yet powerful, efficient yet precise. It's like that quiet leader in a Marvel movie, subtle but unstoppable. And as science evolves, we're learning it's not just about growing faster, it's about growing smarter, on Earth, on Mars, and who knows, maybe even on a floating city above Venus someday. If you love this experiment and want more science that bends your brain in the best way, smash that like button, subscribe, and share this with your gardening buddy, or that one friend who still thinks sunlight is just for selfies.